Nishani and our topic is science versus nature. I choose science. How can you say that nature is better than science?
Good evening everyone, my name is Manisha Singh. I am sitting here to do debate with Samriddhi. Our topic name is science versus nature. I choose nature. Because without nature we cannot survive. Nature is very important for us.
But in this time, science has made our life easier, comfort and faster.
It is right, but science has increases pollution a lot.
No.
Yes.
But you have any disease,
And
so
because
you
of science, there are lots of trees are cutting.
But if you are not science, so you cannot take any medicine.
Medicine are very harmful for our health.
So why are you take?
I don't take medicine. I have told you I use Ayurveda. You don't know medicine is very harmful for our body parts.
But you have any if anyone has cancer, COVID-19.
During COVID-19, we use herbs, kadha, we use Ayurveda.
But in COVID-19, we have vaccine only because of science.
Yes, but only because of science, COVID is spreaded a lot.
But you have a vaccine also only because of science.
Yes, but who saved the life of people? Because of Ayurveda, people save their lives.
No,
they drink kadha, they drink herbs.
But the number of people die.
Kadha and Ayurveda saved their life, not allopathy.
How did you say that? In India, the number of person died.
Did you use kadha during COVID-19?
Yes.
That's why Ayurveda saved people's life. First, we take help of Ayurveda. After that, medicine came.
But you know, in past time, kings sent messages to close up messenger. In past time, kings send any message, so only by close a messenger.
What is crows? I don't know what is crows. Crows.
Yes, crow.
I don't know what is crow.
So you didn't use books. It is made by science.
Yes, but because of science, pollution is increasing a lot, and science had made our life easier. It is right, but we
want to talk anyone, so we use mobile phone.
Yes, and mobile phone is also very harmful for our health and for birds.
But sir, give any homework only in mobile phone.
We should use simple mobile, not smartphone, not Android phone. But it is harmful for our health. Robot is also harmful for world.
How can you say that?
Yes.
Robot do our all works.
But it is very harmful. If robot will get chance, they can finish the human species.
No.
Yes, they get chance, they can finish. They are very harmful for us.
But we have not science, so we cannot use AC, cooler.
We don't need AC and cooler. We don't need.
Okay, you write by pen. Yes.
Yes.
It is also made by science.
There are some inventions which are done by science, which is very great. But nowadays science is increasing a lot of pollution. It is very bad. Yes.
Science not created pollution.
Yeah, science is creating pollution. And science has made a lot of machine which is useless, like washing machine.
It is not useless.
Yes, it is useless completely.
No.
Women are using washing machine nowadays. They are not washing clothes by their hand. That's why they are doing.
In this time, the number of person also wash their clothes by hands. My
That's
mother also was.
Because of science, people have become lazy.
No.
They are using machines.
No.
They are using on their mobile and they are playing games on the bed. They are not doing work. And nowadays they are not going office also. They are doing work home from their home. They are not.
So it is very good.
It is not good. It is very harmful for health.
If we have any disease, so we cannot go anywhere. So we use mobile phone. It is very good.
No, it is not because of only disease. People are today people are doing.
But you wear cloth only because of science.
Yes, it is good.
So that's why science is good.
No, science is bad. Because of science, we have got lots of machines which are useless.
How can you say that? You have many medicine. You have X-ray machine. You have injection. You have jet planes.
Medicine is very harmful for our health.
But our country win any war only because of science.
Because without nature we cannot survive.
But our country win any war only because of science.
If we will destroy nature, how can we survive? Tell me, how will you survive?
But we are not science, so
If
I'm
is,
not saying nature is bad. I'm saying
I'm
science
also
is better
not
than
saying
nature.
science, all invention of science is bad, but there are 90% of inventions are bad of science.
How can you say that?
Yes.
Use clothes only because of science. You use pen only because of science. You go school only because of science.
No, we go school only because of science. No.
How can you say that?